In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move trash mail to inbox in Gmail. Restore deleted emails in Gmail. If you've ever deleted a message by mistake, don't worry. Gmail makes it easy to bring it back, and I'll walk you through it clearly and calmly. First, sign in to your Gmail account. You can do this in any modern web browser. Once your inbox loads, look to the left-hand sidebar where your labels appear. If you don't immediately see everything, click More to expand the full list. This reveals additional system labels that Gmail hides by default to keep things tidy. Next, select Trash. In some regions, this label may be called Bin, but it's the same place where deleted emails live temporarily. A quick note here. Gmail automatically empties trash after about 30 days, so items older than that won't be recoverable. If you don't see the message you're after, try the search bar with the operator in trash plus a keyword from the email's subject or sender. Once you're inside trash, find the email you want to bring back. You can click to open it, or simply select it from the list. If you need to restore more than one message, you can select multiple emails at once using the checkboxes. This doesn't change the process, it just saves you time. With the message selected, look along the top toolbar for the Move to icon. It looks like a folder with a right-pointing arrow. Click that icon to tell Gmail you want to move this message out of trash and place it somewhere else. From the menu that appears, choose Inbox. This is the destination that puts the email right back in your main inbox view. Gmail will immediately remove the trash label and restore the message. You should see a brief confirmation along the bottom of the screen, letting you know it's been moved. If you change your mind, that confirmation usually includes an undo option for a few seconds. To verify, head back to your inbox. The restored message will appear according to its original date, not the moment you restored it, so scroll or use search if needed. That's it. Your email is back where you expect it, ready to read, reply to, or file into labels. Quick recap. Sign in to Gmail, expand your labels with More, open Trash, select the email, click the Move to icon, and choose Inbox. Keep the 30-day limit in mind, and remember you can use Trash in search to locate items quickly. You now know how to confidently restore deleted emails in Gmail.